Hi everyone, it's Lead Gen Man here, as in Lead Gen Manthan. This is the first video in this channel, so I want to keep it brief. Myself Manthan Patel, and I will teach about AI agents, AI workflows, AI automation, lead scraping, lead generation, and cold outreach. So why wait? Let us get started. In this first lecture, I want to show you how you can build your own AI voice agent without you having to do any coding. So tools that we are going to use are Retell AI. Retell AI is a platform where we can build, deploy, design, and automate our entire AI voice agent very easily. Next, we are going to use make.com, which is a no-code platform where we can automate and connect with any third-party application that you like. Similarly, we are going to use Anytime. Anytime is kind of same with make.com, but it is much better and cheaper. And lastly, we can use GoHighLevel to build our automation inside GoHighLevel as well as manage CRM. If you don't know what is GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel is all-in-one CRM solution where we can build our own automation. It has all the marketing automation and sales tools. So make sure to sign up with Retell AI from the first link in the description section. This will be the dashboard when you log in, where we can create an agent. There are basically three types of agent that we can create inside Retell AI. The first is single prompt agent, where we can easily build within just 15 minutes our own AI voice agent. Then we have multi-prompt agent. In multi-prompt agent, we can combine a lot of AI assistant or AI agents in one single prompt. And lastly, we have conversational flow agent. These are from very advanced and very complex tasks. And to be honest, if you want to ship our AI voice agent in live production, we are mostly going to use conversation flow agent. But as of now, we are going to start with single prompt agent. And custom LLM is basically similar to single prompt agent. But the thing is, we can use our own LLM that we have built on AWS, on Azure, and we can bring it to our AI voice agent. For instance, in single prompt or multi-prompt agent, we are going to use LLM of OpenAI, which is ChatGPT 4o, or Anthropic Claude. Alright, I hope this makes sense. These are the already agents that we have built inside our course. So I will also add the link of the course, so make sure to check it out. I have explained everything one by one, step by step, each and every single point in much detail in that course. So we have our agents here, we have knowledge base, phone number, batch calling, bunch of things. Don't worry, let us take baby step or one step at a time. So let us start with an agent. Create a single prompt agent. You can also check out these templates. Those are really great as well. But as this is the first lecture, I want to start everything from scratch. Here is our prompt section where we can write our prompt to tell our agent how to behave, what task or goals, what is your ideal persona, or what is the things that we want to achieve out of our AI voice agent. We will include all of that information inside this prompt. Then we have welcome message. We will add all of this information in this prompt section. Then we have welcome message. Then these are all the functionalities that we can adjust or give to our AI voice agent. Then these are all the models that you can choose for. You can see the pricing per minute attached to it, as well as the voice we can select. So we have three options here: 11 Labs, Play HD, or OpenAI. Even you can add your own custom voice. I will show you in another lecture. So let us try with some voice. I really like Victoria.
Hi there, I'm Victoria, your AI companion, ready to assist you with anything you need to make your day smoother and more.
Ryan is also
Hello,
good.
I'm Ryan, your interactive assistant, here to provide personalized support and solutions.
These voices are really human-like, and people on the other side won't even know that they are talking to AI voice agent. Alright, so let us get started. First of all, the first thing we need to do is give a prompt. Let us take a usual scenario. Let's say we are building our AI voice agent for a dental care, where it will handle all the inbounds as well as it will do all the outbound calls. Alright, so let us write our prompt. First of all, prompts are divided into 4 building blocks. The first is identity or persona of that we want to give to our AI voice agent. So I will write it here. In identity, we can say you are a helpful assistant for, let's say, Lead Gen Man dental care. In identity, we are simply saying to our AI voice agent, who are you? Like in our example, you are a helpful assistant for this dental care. And you can also add like you are kind, polite. Then second building block of AI voice agent is style. What type of style do you want to attach to your AI voice agent? I will give you an example. You speak naturally and avoid complex medical terms. If asked, explain them simply. Here we are simply saying that these are the tone or the style that you want to follow in the conversation with the end user. We can also say something like, keep your response friendly, calm, kind, especially when patients are worried about dental procedure. So I'm just keeping it very brief because this is the first lecture and I don't want to overwhelm you with the prompts. In the next lecture, I will have an entire prompt engineering course or prompt engineering lecture for AI voice agent. So make sure to check it out as well. Then the third we have is response guidance. For instance, if you want to tell your AI voice agent, keep conversation in very short and simple way, feel free to do it. Break down any instruction into easy step, check the patient understand you. For instance, if our AI voice agent is rambling along and not listening to our user, we can add this under response guidelines. For instance, check that patient understand you, guide patient to speak with the dentist about these concerns, give concise, short and straightforward answer. Lastly, we have the most important building block, which is task and goals. What is the end goal that you want to accomplish by using your AI voice agent? So we have task and goals. Alright, in this example, we are just keeping it very simple. We are telling our AI voice agent that you are a helpful assistant of this dental care. So we can say, help with user queries, explain basic dental procedure, give careful instruction, and contact urgent issues with the right staff member or with the dentist. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The first building block, again I will repeat, is identity, second is style, third is response guidance, and the fourth is task. The beauty to maintain this type of prompt is it is easier to update or it is easier to change. For instance, if your AI voice agent is missing in one particular segment, for example, if the style of your AI voice agent is not accurate or not what you are looking for, you can come to this second building block and make the adjustment. That's why dividing our entire prompt into 4 building blocks is so easier to maintain and also easier for our LLM or AI voice agent to understand and comprehend from it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I will save it as of now. Then we have the welcome message. Here we have 3 examples. AI remains silent until the user speak first. So if we test this audio, if someone will call our AI voice agent, it won't speak anything unless the user do. But I don't like to keep it that way. I like to our AI voice agent speak first with a defined begin message. For instance, we can say, hello, this is Lisa from Gen Manthan Dental Care. How can I help you? So these are the first sentence that will be spoken by from our AI voice agent. You can also make your AI voice agent multilingual. For instance, Retell AI provides more than 18 language or supports more than 18 language. So I will use English in Indian accent because I am Indian. Then we have the function, knowledge base, speech setting and bunch of things. Let us keep it as it is right now. In the next lecture, we will deep dive into each of the segments. Then come our testing area where we can test our AI voice agent that we have just built here. Alright, so we have two options, test audio or test LLM. Let us use test audio and hear our AI voice agent speaking as a helpful assistant for this dental care.
Hello, this is Lisa from Gen Manthan Dental Care. How can I help you?
Hi Lisa, how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How about you? How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I'm having a very toothache, like intense toothache and I cannot sleep.
I'm so sorry to hear you're in so much pain. Toothaches like that can be really tough to deal with. It's important to get this checked out as soon as possible because it could be a sign of an infection or another issue that needs attention. In the meantime, you can try rinsing your mouth gently with warm salt water to help ease the discomfort.
Alright, I hope this makes sense, and to be honest, the response was pretty good. Within just 5 minutes, we have built our own AI voice agent that is ready to ship for live production. Not until now, but I will show you how you can do that. Then we have the knowledge base. Knowledge base are very important and powerful. For instance, if you are having, let's say, your own dental care website and you want to extract all of this information and give it to your AI voice agent without you having to do anything, all you need to do is copy the URL of your website, go back to Retell AI, click on add a knowledge base. Let's name our knowledge base. In documents, we can add files. For instance, if you have any SOP or PDF files, you can also add your text manually. But the best part of using Retell AI is we can simply paste our website URL and that's it. It will crawl and sync our entire website. So I will show you. Let us enter our URL and then click on save. And there we go. Within seconds, it has crawled all the 110 web pages from this website. So all you need to do is select all and click on save. Let us click on save and let us go back to our AI voice agent. Wait for the uploading to finish and now it will have context of every single details that is inscribed in our website so that you don't have to manually add all of this data to your AI voice agent. You can make your fully functional AI voice agent simply by using knowledge base. Alright, it is successfully added. Now let us go back to your agent. Click on add knowledge base and you will be able to find the knowledge base which is created. So let us attach it and now let us test it.
Hello, this is Lisa from Gen Manthan Dental Care. How can I help you?
Yeah, I just want to check in with the dentist name.
Of course. Could you please share the name of the dentist you're looking for or the location of the office? That way I can assist you better. If you're unsure,
Yeah.
feel free to call us directly at 949-849-0260 and we'll help you right away.
Yeah, I'm actually visiting tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So I just need like what is the opening time from tomorrow?
Got it. Tomorrow is Wednesday and we'll be open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Feel free to stop by during those hours, and if you need anything else, just let us know.
Yeah, I just had one question. Like, are you guys open on weekends?
Great question. We're typically closed on weekends, but it's always best to double check as hours can sometimes vary.
Yeah.
Feel free to call us at 949-849-0260 and we'll confirm for you. Let us know if there's anything else you need.
That's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Alright, that's absolutely amazing. Simply by adding our website and attaching at knowledge base, it has all the context. For instance, first of all, it was automatically able to fetch out the phone number. Yes, this time it wasn't able to fetch out the doctor or dental name. Then it was able to give us the operation hours. For instance, it is closed on weekends. It is open from 8 to 4 p.m. That is absolutely mind-blowing. So what I will say is contact this agency or contact this dental clinic and say we have our AI voice agent ready for you to test it out. In the next series of videos, I'm going to show you everything about how to set up your AI voice agent by using Retell AI, by using Make.com, Anytime, GoHighLevel, and all type of crazy automation. To be honest, it is just tip of the iceberg. We have our entire AI voice agent course where we teach every single thing, as well as we have our entire school community that you will get instant access with me, like one-on-one private coaching. In my AI voice agent course, there are already more than 13,000 students enrolled in it. So I just want to say you that don't miss out this opportunity and leveraging this AI voice agent as well as monetizing for your own business as well as your client business. Alright, so what I will do is I will put both the course and the school link in the description section so that you can easily navigate it. That's pretty much it for the first video. I hope you're having a great time and I will see you in another one.